Hi folks, hope you're doing good. On today's video, we have Samsung's Galaxy Book Flex, one of the first laptops with a QLED display and one of the Samsung most premium laptops in ages. Let's unbox and review Galaxy Book Flex. The Galaxy Flex is a premium 2-in-1 laptop that comes with both 13.3-inch and 15.6-inch sizes. The one we have today is 13.3-inch model. It features a snazzy metal blue design with a built-in fingerprint reader and a slot for S Pen. Spec-wise, it's your usual 2020 Ultrabook with a 10th generation Intel Core i7 processor, 8 or 12 GB of RAM and 15 GB of storage. There is a micro SD card reader on board, and Samsung says the 69.7 WH battery should get you through 20 hours of battery life. A beautiful 2-in-1 laptop like Galaxy Book Flex seems like a natural thing to expect from a company like Samsung. Its phones are renowned around the world for having big, beautiful screens that are joy to consume content through. Not to mention their fantastic 4K TVs. The Samsung Galaxy Book Flex is seriously attractive piece of kit. If you just want something you can show off in a coffee shop once the society opens back up, this might be a device for you. If you are looking for a device primarily for a content consumption, this is the pretty solid choice. The display is one of the best you have ever seen in a laptop. And while the sound quality is not quite there, that's something that you can fix by some headphones. What about battery? The Samsung Galaxy Flex has the longest battery life we have ever experienced in a Windows laptop. This laptop will easily last you all day. The Samsung Galaxy Book Flex thrived on our laptop battery test, web browsing at 150 nits of brightness, posting a lengthy time of 15 hours and 44 minutes and 13 hours and 14 minutes with the outdoor mode enabled. Next we will talk about the heat management. The Galaxy Book Flex stays cool under pressure. After streaming 50 minutes of HD video on Samsung's notebook, our heat gun picked up temperatures that fell under our 95-degree comfort threshold. Its underside, that means the laptop's hottest spot, ranged from 84 degrees Fahrenheit to 92 degrees by exhaust vent, and its touchpad 74 degrees and keyboard 82 degrees were less warm. The star of the show is really the QLED display, which Samsung promised can achieve 400 nits of brightness in regular usage and over 600 nits in a special outdoor mode. The screen also covers the 100% of both the sRGB and DCI-P3 color gamut, though doesn't seem to be a proper HDR mode. The big disappointment is that 1080p is your only option for resolution. 1080p on a 13-inch screen already hurt my eyes, but at least Samsung is promising good sound from the AKG Tune speakers to drown out all these visible pixels. Another neat bonus, you can wireless charge your phone by placing it on the touchpad. I just hope you don't need your mouse while you are doing so, but it is still the nice to have in a pinch. When closed, this 2-in-1 bombshell flaunts reflective silver edges. The familiar Samsung logo placed on the center left of the lid catches your eye with lustrous shiny letters. Lift the lid and you will find a slim bezel paradise. The top bezel magnetized to skews in a small 720p webcam, while the bottom bezel sports a barely there Samsung logo. The Samsung Galaxy Book Flex 13 sports more of the royal blue goodness on its keyboard. A large dark blue trackpad taking almost a half the desk space. Sits comfortably beneath the spacebar. A 360-degree hinge allows the camshell laptop to transform into a gorgeous big screen tablet that is great for watching videos, scribbling notes, digital drawing, and more. You can also flip the 2-in-1 into tent mode to enjoy a movie or to show off a presentation to colleague. But there are some downsides to the Galaxy Book Flex 13 design. Its chassis is susceptible for fingerprints and the hinge should be sturdier. The display can get a bit wobbly while using the S Pen in laptop mode. This 2-in-1 stunner has a modern stock of ports. On the left side, you will find a headphone jack, a micro SD card slot, and a standard USB Type-C port. The keys are little shallow, but the plus side, they are very clicky and pop back speedily, which provides a springy tactile feedback. My typical average is 82 words per minute on the 10fastfingers.com write-in test. But on the Samsung Galaxy Book Flex 13 keyboard, my WPM average is plumbed into 70. If I spend more time with the laptop, I'm sure my WPM would be returned to its normal 80 range. The large Windows Precision touchpad, the size is 4.7 into 3.1 inches, work like a charm and respond well to Windows 10 gestures, such as pinch to zoom and two-finger scrolling. A strike feature about the touchpad is its wireless power share capability, which means you can use it to charge any of your QA-compatible smartphones, Galaxy Bud Plus, or any third-party earbuds or wearables. The built-in S Pen is the star of the Samsung Galaxy Book Flex 13 spectacular show. To retrieve the S Pen from its dock, you can simply push its rectangular head to pop up out of the place. The S Pen is your magic wand with the Galaxy Book Flex 13. As soon as you pull out from the garage, far right menu pops up with options to write down the notes, draw, engage with live message, a funny app that converts your flashy stylus scribbling into GIFs, and so much more. You can also access more stylus-friendly features by tapping on the pen icon located on the taskbar. This will pop up two options: Microsoft Whiteboard, a Freedom Digital Canvas, a full screen snip which allows you to highlight underlined notes on the screenshot. While in the tablet mode, drawing with stylus was smooth and enhancing with a speedy reaction rate and no observed lag. Palm rejection deserves two thumbs up. I particularly love the sketching on the Samsung Note app with the pencil tool, which stimulates the look of a graphite drawing. The S Pen is not the most comfortable ergonomic pen, but Samsung did an excellent job at creating a pen that can conveniently stow away to minimize the stylus misplacement. After drawing and note-taking, you can stick the pen back into its garage with a satisfying click. The Samsung Galaxy Book Flex 13 also includes an app called Samsung Dex that promotes users to connect their compatible Samsung device to the computer via USB for easy file transfer. However, there is a fair amount of boltware including Booking.com, Samsung Edition Partner app, Solitaire, Netflix, Spotify, and more. The Samsung Galaxy Book Flex 13 comes with a 1-year limited warranty. Right out of the gate, one of the biggest issues is that the shift key gets cut in half to make the way for the fingerprint sensor. While it's great that this laptop does have a fingerprint sensor, you can never have too much security. We are consistently hitting that instead of the shift button. The Samsung Galaxy Book Flex is a device with a lot of potential. A gorgeous display, excellent battery life make it a desirable device, but a few odd design choices make it hard to recommend. So we listed some pros and cons of this device. So the pros are the thin, light and stylish blue design, lovely display, beautiful finish, built-in QA charger, bundled with S Pen stylus double as a remote control, excellent battery life, Samsung Dex for easy file transfer, large touchpad and good computing performance. So what we are against this device? The bad fingerprint scanner placement, loose hinges, audio quality is also expensive of course, can get toasty when you are streaming HD videos, short and shift key, buggy pen gesture function. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like, comment and subscribe. See you again with another video.